What would you describe QA as?
It's not just always about testing sort of as per, the exact written requirements of the client. Sometimes you'll, as a QA, you'll inherently come across things that might be, say, usability issues or things like that might not be so well documented. But part of that QA process is looking at it with a sort of a user-focused angle and understanding that the person at the end of the product is a real human, not just a user.
Yeah.
And sort of catering your testing to cover all those scenarios so that not just for what the client wants, but for the people that are going to be using it as well.
And if you were to explain QA to your 97-year-old partially deaf grandmother, how would you say it?
I fill out forms over and over again with very minor variations until something breaks. Imagine doing your tax return until it catches on fire spontaneously.